morning, students. Good morning. How are you? And Shubho Vijaya to all of you. Okay. Okay. Now, this is your EVS class, page 49. Take out your EVS book, page number 49. And all of you turn off your camera and microphone. Okay. Sorry, page number 48. Okay. Page number 48. House we live in. Our new chapter. All of you take out your EVS book. Page number 48. House we live in. Okay. Now, houses are big. Some houses are big and houses are small, and some less strong and some may fall. I live in a house that's big and white. Okay, all of you turn off your mute your microphone. Open your EVS book, page number 48. House we live in. Mute your microphone and turn off your camera. We need a house to live in. Houses protect us from heat, cold, rain and storm, and it also protect us from wild animals and thieves, and we feel safe and comfortable inside our houses. Okay, so how all living things need house to live in, and some wild animals and some animals build their houses in different ways. Example, birds make their nest in a tree or in our houses, and also the cornice of our window. Okay, and wild animals like lion, tiger, they live in a den, or rat, mouse, they live in hole, or snake, they live in hole. So we need a house to live in. Devapriya. Okay. We need a house to live in, and it protects us from heat, cold, rain and storm. It also protects us from wild animals and thieves, and we feel safe and comfortable inside our houses. So houses help us in different ways, like houses help us in different ways, Number 1, protect us from heat, cold, dust, etc. Number 2, protect us from wild animals and thieves. Protect us from wild animals and thieves. Okay. And other, we are very safe and comfortable inside our house. Okay. In our house we are safe and comfortable. Okay. So houses help us in different ways. Number 1, it protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, etc. and also protect from wild animals and thieves, and we feel safe and comfortable inside our house. Next, there are different types of house. Houses, two types. Mainly houses are two types, that is kacha house and pakka house. Okay. So houses are two types. Number 1, that is kacha house, KACHCHA, kacha house. And number 2, that is pakka house, PUCCA, PUCCA. Okay. So houses are two types. Houses that are made from mud, wood, straw, leaves and stones. Then these types of house are called kacha house. Okay. So houses that are made from mud, wood, straw, leaves and stones, they are called kacha house. And villagers and rural areas, people live in these types of houses like kacha house. All of you turn off your camera. Debopriya Mukherjee, Kritika. So houses that are made from mud, wood, straw, leaves and stones are called kacha house, and villagers and rural areas, people live in such houses. Okay. So rural area or villages, people live in kacha house mainly. And next, that is pakka house. Houses that are made from bricks, cement, wood, iron, glass, etc. are called pakka house. Okay. So houses that are made from bricks, cement, কমফোর্টেবল মিন্স যেটা আমাদের সুবিধা হয়। যেমন আমরা যখন হাউসের মধ্যে থাকি তখন আমরা কি করি, সব কিছু সুবিধা পাই। যেমন আমরা সব কিছু থেকে সেফ থাকি, লাইক ওয়াইল্ড অ্যানিম্যালস, থিপস, এগুলো থেকে সেফ থাকি। আমরা যখন খুব টায়ার্ড হয়ে পড়ি তখন আমরা যদি যখন হাউসের মধ্যে থাকি তখন আমরা কি কমফোর্টেবল ফিল করি বা আমাদের খুব ভালো লাগে, সেটাকে আমরা বলছি কমফোর্টেবল। ওকে। ওকে, নেক্সট। So আমরা কি বললাম, হাউসেস আর টু টাইপস লাইক কাঁচা হাউস অ্যান্ড পাকা হাউস. কাঁচা হাউস মেড আপ অফ mud, wood, straw, leaves and stones, and these types of houses seen in villages or rural areas. Next, number 2, that is paka house. Houses that are made from bricks, cement, wood, iron, glass. So kacha house is example hut. Okay, and paka house, that is bungalow, flat or apartment buildings. That is the example of paka house. Okay, next, paka house are made up of bricks, cements, wood, iron, glass, etc. And these types of houses we call paka house, and these houses are found in mainly cities or towns area. Okay, and urban people live in paka house, this type of houses. Next, what type of house do you live in? Okay, yes, what is the meaning of urban area? Urban means where towns or cities people live in. This type of areas are called urban area. Okay, rural area মানে যারা ভিলেজে বাস করে, যেসব পিপল, তাদেরকে আমরা বলি রুরাল এরিয়াস. আর আরবান মিন্স টাউনস অর সিটিতে যে পিপলরা বসবাস করে তাদেরকে আমরা বলছি আরবান এরিয়া. ওকে, আরবান পিপল. Next, what type of a house do you live in? So we live in paka house or kacha house, anyhow. Okay, next, portable house. Portable means there are some houses which can be moved from one place to another, and such houses are called portable. Portable means একটা হাউস যেটা কি করছে আমরা মুভ করতে পারছি, ক্যান বি মুভড ফ্রম ওয়ান প্লেস টু অ্যানাদার. ওকে, সো ডিফারেন্ট এরিয়াতে আমরা কি করছি, ওই হাউসগুলোকে আমরা মুভ করতে পারছি, সেটাকে আমরা বলছি পোর্টেবল হাউস. ওকে, দেয়ার আর সাম হাউসেস হুইচ ক্যান বি মুভড ফ্রম ওয়ান প্লেস টু অ্যানাদার, and such houses are called portable house. Okay, and example of portable house, that is tent, caravan, houseboat, etc. Okay, okay, I live in paka house. Very good. So what is portable house? Portable house, a house which can be moved from one place to another. একটা প্লেস থেকে অন্য প্লেসে আমরা সহজে এটাকে মুভ করতে পারি, সেই জন্য এটাকে আমরা বলছি পোর্টেবল হাউস. ওকে, and so portable house example tent, caravan, houseboat, etc. Okay, next, tent. What is tent? A house that is foldable and easy to carry is called a tent. See in your book, that is tent. Okay, a house that is foldable and easy to carry is called a tent. And next, caravan. See, this is the house like car or van type house. Okay, a house that moves on wheels is called a caravan. And last one, that is a houseboat, and we also see this type of houseboat in Kerala. Okay, A house that floats on water is called houseboat. So, portable house, there are some houses which can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called portable house. And number one, that is tent. So, portable house, three types. Portable house, that is tent. Number two, caravan. Turn off your microphone. All of you, turn off your microphone. And houseboat. Dear students, microphone. Okay, so number one, that is tent. A house that is foldable and easy to carry is called a tent. And a house that moves on wheel is called a caravan. And number three, that is houseboat. A house that floats on water is called a houseboat. Okay, next, that is special house. See, some houses are built to suit the living conditions of the place and are called special house. Special house means একটা কন্ডিশন ওয়েদার অর কন্ডিশনে যখন কেউ একটা হাউস বিল্ড করে তখন সেটাকে আমরা বলছি স্পেশাল হাউস, লাইক অ্যান ইগলু। অল অফ ইউ টার্ন অফ ইউর camera and microphone. Mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. All of you, mute your microphone. Yes. So special house, some houses are built to suit the living condition of the place are called special house. Okay, and an igloo that is built in snowy area, okay, or in sir, next, some houses are built to suit the living conditions of the place and are called special house. Okay, so special house example, igloo, SPECIAL, special houses. Example, igloo, igloo, stilt house. Okay, so what is igloo? An igloo is a house made up of blocks of ice, and humanities live in igloos, and such houses are made in areas which are covered by snow all the year round. যে এরিয়াতে কি থাকে অল দ্য ইয়ার আইস, সবসময় আইস থাকে, সেই এরিয়াতে কি হচ্ছে ইগলু তৈরি হচ্ছে। ওকে, ইগলু ইজ এ হাউস দ্যাট ইজ মেড আপ অফ ব্লকস অফ আইস। ওকে, so portable house, to first time, that is houses. We need a house to live in, and it protect us from heat, cold, thieves, wild animal also. Houses are two types, Pakka house and Kacha house. Pakka house is mainly found in urban areas, and Kacha house mainly found in villages or rural areas. And different types of houses like portable house, special house. Portable house, there are some houses which can be moved from one place to another, like tent, caravan, houseboat. And special house, that is igloo, stilt house, or slanting roof, a house with slanting roofs. This is the example of special house. Okay, so time is over. Now we will come next page, next day we'll start up to page number for 50. Okay, Shubho Vijaya all of you. Bye, thank you. Bye.